If you don't like the Oakley, you're a bad person. Okay, so this is my first vlog I thought I'd put together. That's just my dog having a drink. Yeah, bit of a morning routine. Got a smoothie. I like to have smoothies in summer because they're portable, they're tasty, they're easy to make, they're pretty cheap to make, and just all around I like it. So, what do you reckon, dog? This is Marvel. Hey, what's this? Hey, what's going on here? Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to show a bit of what happens in my day each morning, and if it goes well, I'll probably do more of them because I reckon it's pretty cool. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so the plan this morning is we're in the shed. We've got a few hours to do in there before we head out harvesting for the rest of the day. There isn't too much else other than that, really. So, run a few bins of onions through the shed, do what we do best, and then, yeah, I'm the harvester till about 5 o'clock. Okay, so no one else is here yet. I love to get to work early, at least 10 minutes early, before anyone. Just a good bit of zen time. This is where the action happens. Yeah, look at that. All the bins on this side of the shed, they've all been through the packing line once. They get graded, topped, all the dirt gets taken out of them and sorted through, and then yeah, put into their sizes. And then on this side of the shed is all the bins that have come straight from the harvester. So we like to let them sit for about 10 days, let them dry out nice and clean. Obviously they've still got tops on them, there's odd ones that are like different colours, and dirt, damaged ones from the harvester. So get them cleaned right up. I think this one is my favourite so far. It's nice.
I took an Advil just to numb the pain. I kinda knew it was gonna hurt this way. Head spinning like a hurricane, but we gon' go back out and do it again. Tequila nights, melting ice, down in Mexico, paradise. Name a price, anything you wanna choose. We don't really have nothing to lose. Crashing, another night at the Oasis. Got my body feeling weightless. I pull myself off the pavement. Crashing, it's all part of misbehaving.
Alrighty, so had the morning, been in the shed, and that's all done now. So we're going harvesting for the rest of the afternoon and morning, about 8 hours worth. So we're into it. Been going about half an hour now. Everything seems to be running really smoothly. So, parked in this seat for the next 8 hours, digging away. It's really good for your neck, this job, because it's constantly looking forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. Yeah, plenty of neck exercise, which really does not do the body well. So, but it's part of it. So we do it. Right.
Crashing, it's all a part of misbehaving. Out here acting like we're famous. I heard that's not just the greatest. Crashing, it's all a part of misbehaving.
So, you know how I said earlier on that things are going to be really smooth? They turned not smooth about an hour ago. We broke the digger bar that sits underneath the ground that helps lift the onions. So, down under there, it got a bit of a fix-up job. Thankfully, I had all the right parts and things like that to get that fixed. So, ordered that, new parts, and yeah, off we go. I got about 3 or 4. No, not that long. What's the time? This thing doesn't show the time. What's the time? 2:43. 2:43. So we will keep on rolling.
Head spinning like a hurricane, but we gon' go